In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS launcher on this Xiaomi. You need to start by going into Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type in iOS launcher. Following that, you need to install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, select Open. Then wait for the pop-ups to show. When they do, you need to tap on while using the app and allow in all of them. When you're ready, select Home button. Now you need to access Settings and tap on Apps section. Over here, select Manage Apps. Click on those three dots at the top right corner and click on Default Apps. Finally, choose Launcher, tap on iOS one. Click on Home button and choose Got it! As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Xiaomi. But if you want to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going into exactly the same settings and choosing System Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!